Welcome to qualifying day at the PBA Jack 60 Open? I don't know. Mikey's got some bananas. They turn brown, so we're going to throw them away. Chris is going to the truck because he drilled a ball. And this is the player's entrance, which,
Is it not over there?
is this not it?
I don't know.
Oh,
It's shoveled over there.
Oh, well, we're gonna go to the shoveled area. Not gonna lie, this is kind of a disaster, and I did not help the cause. I blocked Prather in. There's Chris's balls, and this is me. Hi guys.
Hi Darren.
Hey.
It's full for fun today. You know why? Because we're just happy to be here.
You're right. What do we have here? Oh, is it a secret?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Can this not go in the vlog?
No.
Oh. Well, Jesse, you know what to do. Look what we have here. It's official. There it is. Man, I'm bowling on that pair. That's wild.
Mine's somewhere around here. It's,
I got it.
yeah, where's Ogle?
He's not
Let me rip
he's
that
not
bitch down.
wrong.
It's over
They
there.
made a typo.
35 and 36. I'm shooting 300 on that pair just because it's Ogle's stupid banner.
It's alright, Brad. It'll come. I have,
Yeah, you
I have
know.
faith. I have faith.
What year is it? 2022. I'll have.
We're not counting. We're not counting years, Brad. It happens when it happens.
My first title will be on the senior tour. It's cool.
No, at least 49 on the regular tour.
Yeah, I'll be the only guy to win at 49 and 50 on the regular and senior. You gotta get some kind of historic. I'm 32.
Brad's all about the
I'm
record.
31. I'll be 32.
Said he's winning his first title in 18 years.
So I told my wife the other day that I could be on the senior tour in 13 years. It kind of hit me pretty hard.
Isn't that weird? Yeah, you're halfway to 74.
36.
Oh my god. I gotta start striking a lot soon because scores are enormous and I'm just bowling bad. I feel like I should have had 530 the first two games. I found a way to be 30 over instead. Alright guys, there's our break. We just had lunch, back in the room because I gotta get some batteries and stuff. Wow, it's bright. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not in a good place physically, and I think it's putting me in a really bad place mentally. Gotta try and flip the script a little bit and have the mental game override the physical, you know, because it can be done. I did it at trials. I haven't been throwing it very good since the year started. I'm 150 over and I'm probably about 70 off. The number scores are stupid high. But, you know, it is what it is and we're just gonna do what we can, so. Alright, that's it. We're done. Unfortunately, Mikey bowled 190 the last game. Don't think he's going to make it. He was close. I'm missing it by like 200. I'm just not. I've got physical problems that are leading to mental problems that I just can't overcome. Bowled against the best in the world. And I'm giving way too many pins away. Considering skipping the next event just to practice so I can come into the TOC better than I am right now, because right now I'm about as bad as I could possibly be. And, you know, I know the reps are probably going to tell me otherwise and just bowl through it, and that's what I've done my whole entire career, but I might have to do something different. It's, I can't handle bowling like this. It's just not acceptable. We'll see you tomorrow, though. Chris made it, so we'll vlog tomorrow, and hopefully he comes out with a W. See you then.